Alright, we're at Macy's in Park Meadows. Got some groovy music playing. It's a really dim bulb, and I'm just trying to talk over. I don't know if this music is copyrighted or not. That hand sanitizer thing looks disgusting. It doesn't look like something that you'd be cleaning your hands with all that gunk. Anyway, I'm just trying to say random shit to talk over the music here. And this thing is, I really don't know if this thing's working. Oh, here we go. All right. Good old Montgomery. Or MontgomeryKone, perhaps. This thing is slow. There's the button. I think it's like a, no, that's probably the access indicator up there. All right, up to 3. Overshot. All right, and there it goes. Slam, and that's it.